Hey YouTube, welcome to our walkthrough on our En Français um, mini album. This is the front cover here. We have decorated with rhinestones and pearls, white pearls, pink pearls. Then we have pink rhinestones and clear rhinestones. These are paper flowers, and this is a fabric flower. And then this is our side with our tassel. The tassel is pink and gold with a clear stone at the top. And then this is our back. Okay, let's get to the inside. Our closure is a ribbon closure. This is our first page. We have a waterfall with a ribbon closure. In this waterfall, each one of these waterfalls is also a pocket, and they have tags in them. This is what all the tags look like. I like the fact that the waterfall has pockets. That's pretty cool. Okay, then we have a flip here, journaling and photos. Then we have a pocket here that is behind the flip with a tag. On this side we have a flip here, photos. Then we have three pockets here. This is your big tag, your medium tag, and then your small tag. And these are where you can put, let's see, a photo behind it, like that, like so. And the same with this one here. There's a photo on top. This one here. This one is not a photo holder. No, it's not. Okay, that's cool though. That's your big tag. Alright, let's put these back in their pockets. Move on to the next page. Okay, here we have a belly band with some die cuts or die cutouts. And then this is a tag. Goes in there, and then we have a bronze element right on front. Here we have an envelope page. This one flips up. Then you have this, it's expandable, so you can put in a lot of photos if you want, with a tag and rhinestones. And then it flips up, and you have space for a photo here, and then here, and then this folds down. You have here and here, and then this folds up, and then you have space here. Okay, on this side we have a small tag in a pocket with rhinestones. This opens up. You have another small tag here. And then this opens up. Lots of space for photos. And then this is a triangle flip, which has a rectangle flip on it, like so, and then like so. And then this one opens up, like so. And then this has a tag with a chair cut out here. And journaling spots everywhere. This triangle opens like this. It also has a pocket, and this one has a bifold tag. That's what that looks like. And then this comes up, and then this folds up and this has a ticket cut out with this tag here. Okay. This one here has a pocket with a tag. It's the back. And then this opens up this way and also has a pocket with a tag. And then this one opens up this way and expands out. Turn it that way. So you have both sides there. Then you have a tag with another ticket. Right in there. Close that up. This one is really cute. You have a teeny pocket here, which is a double pocket with tags. And this little teeny tag too. Very cute. Then this one opens up and then expands. Okay. And then this one opens up as well. And then you have a flip here and a nice big spot here. This one has the actual picture frame, and the way to open the picture frame is take your finger or knuckle and slide the glass up, remove the photo, and put in your own. And then slide the glass right back down. Okay. Then we have this page here. This is our frame page. We put in a real photo frame. It has a glass front. You just slide that up with your finger and then slide the photo up and then put in your photo. And I would cut it at the same width as this glass and press it back down. This one has a belly band with a paper flower. And then a bifold tag, in and out, journal writing. I love these who, when, and where. I love those on there. They're one of my favorites out of the paper pack. Then we have our clock with another paper flower. This one is purple, matches the purple butterfly. And we open that up with a flip here and a flip down. Plenty of space for photos. And this is our back pocket with a pretty edge on it and some rhinestones. And this is a tag in our pocket, which is also bifold. We have journaling here, photo, and then photo, of course, on the inside. I love that. And we die cut the top. Oh, let's turn it this way. And then you have a spot for a photo here. And then more journaling here. And that is it for our En Français, En France paper pad, and it has a ribbon closure. I think it turned out really cute. If you have any questions or comments, please do not hesitate to leave them down below, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Have a great one. Bye.